All right, what's up guys? Today we have something different, at least for my channel. I've never driven a car like this. This is the Toyota Corolla GR all-wheel drive, and we'll do a quick little walk around of it here. It's actually a pretty cool looking car. It's got like a tri-tip setup for the exhaust, so two on the side and one in the middle, and it's like a wide body as well. It's a good looking car, but it's very unique engine. It's a 1.3 liter 3-cylinder engine that puts out 300 horsepower. So it's going to be a true first impression. I've never even sat in this car. It's a 6-speed manual, correct? Yeah. And we're going to take it for a rip. I think it's going to be a fun time. Let's go. These seats are actually pretty damn nice, and this is Andrew, by the way. He's the owner of the car. Thanks to him for letting us take it for a rip here. Like I said, I've never even sat in a car like this, so this is an interesting video with just a first impression type of feel. You know, I'm used to something like that, 12-cylinder. This is that 3-cylinder. I'm impressed by the horsepower output though. It's getting later in the day. We got some traffic. Yeah, it's got some up and go. That's interesting. So obviously turbocharged, right? Yeah. Is it like a twin turbo, or is it just
a single turbo?
Yeah.
But in sport too, we'll go ahead and switch that real quick. It peaks at 28 pounds or so, so it, you know.
Oh, okay.
It's got some decent boost, and there's a button too down on the left that says IMT on it, and if you have the IMT on, it'll rev match perfect for you on downshifts without touching the gas.
Oh, okay. Where is that at?
On the left down here.
Okay.
There's a little button that says IMT. It's like on the.
Is it on the side panel here, or is it side of the steering wheel?
It's on the panel down here.
Oh, okay. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. So now I go down to fourth and touching the gas.
Yeah. All right, so we got rev matching feature on now, so we'll do a little, of course we're behind a freaking slowpoke here.
And this is what I was talking about with the adjustable diff outputs. So right now you can see on here it says 60/40, it's a front wheel drive bias. Track is a 50/50, and then you go to a 30/70 rear bias. So it's got your, if you want to throw in some tight little donuts, whatever, like you can do the 30/70. It's almost rear wheel drive. And
oh, that's interesting. I like that. But we're currently in 60/40 for 60 front, 40 rear.
Right, that's what just normal driving is.
Yeah, okay.
When you start the car, it's in 60/40, and then
Looks like we have a cop behind us, unmarked. I'm not saying it is, but it looks like it. It's got some up and go for a 3-cylinder. That's crazy. I like this thing. It feels light too.
Yep.
I'm sure a lot of people are gonna mod the living crap out of something like this.
They're already like, it's killing me not to. It's the only one that's got a warranty and everything works right. And it's bugging me though. I'm gonna have to, at a minimum, I'll end up doing some cosmetics and get the cool hood and spoiler and stuff. But
so what kind of mileage do you get in this car, fuel economy wise? You said 35 on the highway?
Highway, if you're going on a trip or something, it's got the adaptive cruise control.
Yeah.
So
oh, wow.
Set it to pace, whatever's in front of you, whatever, and it'll do good. It'll get 30, 35, 40, whatever. Around town with me driving it, I get like 13.
Yeah, okay.
And, but, it's fixable, obviously, with the foot control, but...
Yeah, but I mean, like, if you baby this, it must get great fuel economy. Yeah. I mean, that's like impossible for it not to.
Times I've had it high, when I fill it up, it'll say, 380 miles.
Yeah.
It's a small tank.
Yeah, it's got to be like a 12-gallon tank or something. And it has a manual handbrake.
Yep.
So if you do the 70/30, you could technically drift this car.
A little bit, yeah. And obviously, the front wheel still has some power going to them, but you get that rear bias. It changes the feel for sure.
Man, this is fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me drive it, man.
Yeah, absolutely.
So different from these two right here. All right, cool.